Right, so I've just gone through the telephone system and the pairing, deleting, streaming audio and the sat nav. All that, if you've got an iPhone, forget it all. You lift the armrest up, you get your charging lead, you plug your charging lead in like so, then plug it in to the bottom of your phone and just wait for the magic to happen. Apple CarPlay, dead easy, you don't have to do anything. It's all your phone. And let me just see if you can do it by voice activation. I can't just see where the voice activation, oh, it's there, long press. Navigate to Manchester.
Getting directions to Manchester.
Go.
Starting route to Manchester.
So the
southeast on Blackburn Road, then turn right onto Gregson Lane.
So the first one was the Audi actual navigation system built into it. The second one was the Apple, which you would normally do, saying "Hey, SIRI." If you keep your finger on it for a few seconds more than just a click, it will go to the Apple system. Again, you don't have to touch your phone. I have a pouch here, it can be in the pouch. Don't have to touch it, don't have to look at it. You just use this voice activation, but make sure you keep your thumb on it or finger on it for a couple of seconds. Text Barry Crampton.
What do you want to say?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in an Audi A3. It's really good.
Your message to Barry Crampton says just testing the Apple CarPlay system in an Audi A3 is really good. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Okay, so you'll now see that if I just go back, I'll click it over there. Click it onto the actual screen. You'll see there's a message in my message box, spookily enough. So here we go. Read messages.
150 sent a new message. 150 is a free service in the UK and EU and will be charged at local rates from other countries. Our most popular services are balance and allowance information, incl data upgrade info, RO country name, roaming info, RO Italy for example CR, make a...
Yeah, I got fed up with that message. So it's a really good system. Let's say if you navigate to the screen here, I don't think it's a touch screen, no it's not. So if you navigate here and it's just got all the apps that you've got set up. You go Audible, go to Audible, up to Audible, select Audible, and there you go, there's the all your audio books.
Neil fires straight through the Blazers' windows.
Just a brilliant system.